Hi everyone, welcome to this video. In this video we're going to learn how to get inputs from the user in Python. Let's see by example. Let's create a variable name, then use the input function. This function gets the input from the user. So now we are asking the user to enter name. So when the user enters name, we want to print the name. Start the program. So now it's asking the user to enter the name. Let's assume name is John Doe. So now let's print the name. Let's try another thing. Age is Guru. If running our program, you can see here is asking us again to enter name. So name is John Doe, and is asking to enter the age. Joe Doe is 20 years, so I'm 20 years old. So now let's try to write a simple project to familiarize ourselves with inputs in Python. Let's assume that you want to buy an item from a shop. So they should ask you what do you want to buy, and they should also ask you the quantity. Let's run this program. So now we're asking the user what do you want to buy. So the item which is going to be bought, so item user input dot split. If you remember, we said that the split function can be used in lists or strings. The split function can be used to create spaces. It remove extra spaces when the user has entered with extra spaces. So the -1 gets the last element. If you remember in the previous video about tuples or a list, you do the same function. So this one gets the last item. If the user enters item, so what it enters will be the last element in here. So this function will get the last element. So let's now find the quantity. So now we have quantity is equal to input. How many units of item do you want to buy? Now this is a placeholder. This placeholder is storing a variable item which is a string, the item which the user will enter here. So now we are casting, or we're converting our quantity. What the user enters, it should be an integer. So we're converting it to an integer. So now we're asking the user, please enter the price of the item. So the item which the user will enter, the name of the item. So we're converting the input to a float. So now we want to find the total price. Total price is equal to the quantity which the user enters here times the price. What we find will be the total price. Now we're printing you have bought the item of quantity for the price in US dollars. So now this will give us in 2 decimal places. So this is the syntax. We have a colon, a dot, and 2f. This means 2 decimal places. So let's run our program to test it. What do you want to buy? So let's say milk. How many units do you want to buy? Let's say 5 units. please enter the price for each. Let's say it's $2. So now I say you have bought milk, quantity is 5 units for $10. So thank you guys for being with me in this video. See you next time.